This video shows you how to use the calendar to view the scheduled events and tickets, and plan for the upcoming events. To access the ITSM calendar, log in to BMC Helix ITSM and click Calendar. You will notice that the scheduled tickets and events are displayed in both Calendar View and List View. To show the sidebar by default or to configure the pills for each ticket type, refer to Configuring the Calendar component documentation. The link is available in the description of this video. The ITSM calendar displays the following out-of-the-box ticket types: change, release, business events, and outages. You can choose to view the tickets by day, week, or month. For example, if you choose the monthly view, all the tickets for the month are shown in the calendar. The sidebar shows all the ticket types for the month in a list view. You can hide the sidebar by clicking the Hide Sidebar button. The calendar scrolls to the start date of a ticket when you click it from the list view. If you want to view the summary of a ticket, click it from the calendar view. Then, click View Details to open the ticket in a separate interface with full details. To view tickets for a specific date, click on the date, and on the pop-up calendar, select the date. Use the navigational arrows to go to the next immediate day, week, or month, as selected in the Display By option. The ITSM calendar provides a rich filter set out of the box. Let us see how to best use these filters with an example. Let's say, you are a change coordinator, who must replace a mission-critical server this week. You open the calendar, and see if there are any schedules, events, and outages for this week. Select the required filters from Available Filters, and click Apply Filters. The calendar reloads to show only the relevant requests meeting the selected filter criteria. This helps you to plan a scheduled time for your task, without disrupting any other services. You can clear a filter by closing it, or you can clear all filters. The last used filters in a session are saved and are applied automatically when you restart BMC Helix ITSM. You can add a preset filter set for the filters that you regularly use, or you can add a preset for each ticket type. For example, you can add a preset filter for scheduled change requests assigned to you, and save it. The next time, you can directly add the filter preset to view the tickets assigned to you. Once you have the necessary tickets in view, you can export the calendar to a CSV or an ICS file by clicking the export icon. In this way, you can use the calendar to plan for any changes or events in your organization, by viewing the scheduled changes or events for a selected time range. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful. You can also refer to the documentation available in docs.bmc.com for further product information. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to BMC Docs YouTube channel.